Advanced Clinicals, Vitamin C, Anti-Aging Serum, 1.75 fluid ounces, 52 milliliters. Product Overview Description. With soothing aloe vera, anti-aging vitamin C targets dark spots, uneven tone and expression lines, promotes a firmer looking complexion. Ferulic acid supports luminous, youthful radiance. Gate 3 Vita C, a proven antioxidant, visibly reduces the look of age spots, improves skin tone and diminishes the look of wrinkles. Ferulic acid, a natural antioxidant, guards the skin from environmental damage. Antioxidant works synergistically for effective absorption into skin. Benefits. Concentrated vitamin C diminishes the look of age spots. Antioxidant defend against environmental pollutants. Lifts skin tone and reduces the look of pigmentation for a healthier complexion. Attributes. Vitamin C and ferulic acid promote an even skin tone. Paraben-free and gentle to sensitive skin. Technology. This potent serum is infused with antioxidant vitamin C and ferulic acid to combat the dark pigments that cloud your complexion and make you look older than your years. Encapsulated peptides target imperfections for a more uniform look. Skin tone. Results. Instantly, restores radiance and hydrates dry skin. Daily use, brightens complexion and creates a more even looking tone. 4 weeks. Reduces the look of age spots and firms delicate areas. Suggested use. After cleansing face, drop serum onto fingertips for application. Gently pat product onto skin, focusing on problem areas. Allow several minutes for serum to absorb. Follow with moisturizer. May be applied daily, day or night. Other ingredients. Aloe barbadensis leaf juice, ferulic acid, aminoproplas carbophosphate, ergothioneine, polyvinyl alcohol, glycolic acid, lactic acid, pametoligopeptide, PEG-12-dimethicone, tocopherol acetate, ginkgo biloba leaf extract, xanthan gum, fragrance, phenoxyethanol, caprologlycol, ethylxylglycerin, hexylene glycol, sodium hydroxide. Warnings. Caution, for external use only. If irritation develops, discontinue use. If product enters eyes, flush thoroughly with water. If accidentally ingested, contact a physician. Keep out of reach of children. Sunburn alert. This product contains alpha hydroxy acids that can increase your skin sensitivity to sunlight. Use a sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product and for 2 weeks afterwards. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.